Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at cryptos today after Bitcoin and Ethereum are really pushing after MicroStrategy had a disclosure purchase of 3,000 Bitcoins for $155 million yesterday. So this has propelled not only Bitcoin and Ethereum but a few of the other cryptos as well higher. But obviously we'll look at Bitcoin because it's surpassed 56K for the first time since the back end of 2021. So a multi-year high there. Same as Ethereum as well, moving over 3,200. So with that being said, are we in for another drive towards 100K? Obviously, I've got it on the daily chart here. We did see this big surge towards 70,000, as I said, at the back end of 2021. But since then, obviously, we had a complete sell-off. And this is when the pandemic began and obviously lockdowns began. And we had quite a bit of disturbance in all the markets, not just cryptocurrencies. But since then, as you can see here, we'll just zoom in a bit better. So it's a little bit easier to see. Sorry. So this latest bullish rally that we've been seeing, we had this quite a big rejection here, but since then we've just had wave after wave of upside return, and obviously 60K is the next big psychological level that we're looking at the moment. So not really so far away from that if you think that if it's just over $3,500 to go, and we've pretty much done over 10% since the last couple of days. So over, let's just take a look, 42,000, go heading up to 56, so over $14,000 in value on Bitcoin in just a few days, which is quite phenomenal. The only thing we can really compare this to is if we do get the RSI that's a little bit more overbought and we get this double top, then we could be looking at something that we saw a few days ago where we have just a little bit of a stumble, consolidation before a bit of a drop lower. So we could have a bit more of a consolidation, possibly a move lower before a push past 60K. If we look on the 4-hour chart, it's a little bit easier to see with everything that's going on. Obviously, I've just removed all these drawings, so it's a bit easier to see. But on the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, what a momentous upswing on Bitcoin. But as you can see on the RSI and a lot of the other stochastics, we are majorly overbought. So we are looking for a slight downturn before possibly another move higher. So just keep an eye on that if you are trading Bitcoin. Ethereum, on the other hand, we'll just bring it out to the daily chart like I did on Bitcoin. We are now looking with the assistance of the 20-day moving average, as you can see here, moving very far away from it. But pretty much just as the pandemic began, we are now seeing more signs of the fact that we could see another swing to the upside as well. So this is what we're going to be looking at. As I said, over 3,200 for the first time since April. Before that, though, as I said, it's back end of 2021. So again, cryptos are really driving higher. We'll see what happens in the near term. But if you're trading on any of these cryptocurrencies, please let me know. We'll post this video on YouTube and Telegram as usual to keep everyone in the seat of cryptocurrencies, and we'll see what happens next. So thank you very much for joining me with this video. As I said, we posted. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.